Hello, Stoney Lonesome and Buffalo 500 riders. Hey, the ride's coming up September 13 and 14. Registration's open. You can see our spots remaining for Saturday and Sunday. Remember, 300 rider limit. But let's talk about navigation. So, dual sport. Of course, we're going to have a route sheet. We'll have those printed out. We'll also have a GPX file for the dual sport, and the adventure is only a GPX. So, if you're doing the dual sport and want the GPX and the adventure, you'll get a GPX. We will email those out a week ahead with some information. But if you're wondering how the heck do I download these and use these, you can do it on your phone. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to go to your app store. You're going to download the Garmin Explore app. This is what I use. This is what I'm going to teach you how to do. Then you're going to receive the email with the tracks. We're going to use the dual sport as an example. So we're going to go to my email. Here it is. Here's the tracks. 2025 Buffalo Dual Sport.gpx. I'm just going to click on that, and it's going to be this mess. Now what do? On the bottom left-hand side, there's a box with an arrow pointing up. Click on that, and we're going to tell it which app we want to open this with. There's the Garmin Explore app. Let's click the Garmin Explore app. Bang. Import is successful. We're going to go ahead and add to a collection. Let's just do a new collection. I have these already saved. I already have this saved, so it's going to be named 2025 Buffalo Dual Sport -1 for me. How do we navigate? How do we use this? It's already loaded and ready to go for me. As you can see, we're going to go back. Actually, on the bottom left of the screen, we can go to map. That's where I live. We're going to go down to the Buffalo. Now, as you can see, this blue triangle is me where I live in Greenwood here. So when you're at Stoney, this will pull it up. You'll be at Stoney. Here is our Buffalo track. There'll be arrows. We're going to come out this gate right here. We're going to click on that. It's the Stoney Lonesome back gate. There'll be arrows to get you going the correct direction on the dual sport. But we're going to go south to our first property. We click that. That's Robinson #1. We're going to follow the red line. Again, you're going to have to use a little bit of thinking in this and that. You come to this intersection here. We're actually going to go south. We're not turning. There'll be a little bit of route sheet thinking on that, because we're going to go down to the next property, which is Stevens #1. Continue along the red line. We're going over here to the Nicely property. Following the red line. Here is Wonderland. Then in and out. Follow the red line. Again, you'll be that blue triangle. You'll be following that red line. Here we have Stevens #3 Whitehorse. Up here, again, at the intersection, you may want to have the route chart or route sheet in your pocket just to reference a right or a left turn. But we know on the next property, we're bypassing Robinson 1, which is this one here. We're not doing that one. And we're hitting the back gate. Stoney for lunch. It'll be arrows. And then coming out after lunch, it'll be just headed north out of the Stoney gate. So that's some quick and easy ways to do that. So if you have questions when those tracks come out, hit up YouTube, reference this video again, and we'll see you at the Buffalo 500.